Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional-looking jewelry Facebook stories for your Facebook page, account, or jewelry brand. And go to the search bar and type Jewelry Facebook Story, and Canva will display these templates for you. Go to the See All option, and here you'll find templates that you can modify and make your own. So, I will just explore and choose any template I like to modify. Maybe I'll go with this one. Just click on it and customize the template. You can customize whichever template you prefer, and you'll see you can modify anything you want. If you want to play around with or customize the text, these are the options for text customization. Try it out. That's about text customization. Now, if you want to replace this product image with your own, you need to upload an image from your computer. After that, I'll get a ring image from Pinterest, or you can also upload an image from the Canva Elements library, or just upload your own from the computer. Make sure the background of your image or product has already been removed. And maybe I'll go with this one. So I'll remove the background since I have Pro. I'll just remove it and replace it with this one, like this. Now, just move it. Send it backward, forward, as needed. When replacing an image, make sure the background is already removed. Now, you can just replace the image and add your own details, branding, colors, everything. When you are done with your design and want to export it, go to Rename File. Rename it. Then go to the Share option, Download, and select PNG or any available format. So, just like that, in a few minutes, your jewelry Facebook story will be ready.